Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video here where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. Market opens up in less than 1 minute, so let's see what happens. Looking to go short here at 75.79, just introductory share order here. I'll keep you updated. Alright, I picked up some shares here at... Alright, let me just first get this all into place here. So stop. So I have a stop now at, actually need to lower that down some more, at 76.03 for the remainder of the shares. If it can break through, okay, I'm going to move that down some more. So 75.93. Okay, move that down some more. All right, so all out there at 75.80, and now I'm short. All right, I'm just going to close out this. All right, there we go. Oh, that's because I had 100. So $253 there. And yeah, looked like I got out at a good spot there. So go to the first trade to start the day. It's 9:33. If you watched my past couple videos, you've noticed that the opening portion has been pretty rough, but you know, that's why you just got to keep at it, keep that axe to the grindstone, because you never know when a morning like this is around where you're pulling, you know, $253 in a matter of 3 minutes. But again, if you watch my live trade videos, the past couple have been a little bit more quote unquote boring. So I don't want to come across like every single morning's like this, but you know, trading is a mixed bag. You never know what you're going to get every day. But let's see what else is out there. Okay, I have a couple fishing orders out there right now on SUNE and BABA. So we'll see if those get filled. If I get any nibbles, I'm also taking a look right now at STJ. Got some fishing lines out in the water, and still looking for some more. Okay, I have an order into introductory shorting order at 78.50 here on WSM. $78 is that clear area of resistance, so if it can break through there, looking for a quick pop. And then you know, my idea is that this is just some sort of dead cat bounce that wants to roll back over, but step one's going to be needing to get through that $78 level, so we'll see what happens with that. Okay, there's the break, and that was super fast. I think I caught it on video in terms of how fast that move was, so let me throw out some orders here to try to cover. Okay, and then I'm going to put a stop in for this final one. Actually, I'm going to move it down now to 31. So now it's just a matter of actually 21 now. So now, like before, it's just a matter of managing it. And I'm going to move it down to 11. And I'm out there. So there is a $113 move there, or $113, I should say, score on that move there. But I think I caught it on video, but you saw just how absolutely fast that moved up there, which was perfect. Quick jump and then rolling back over, but I'm not done with this one yet, I don't think, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. And I get a lot of people ask me, you know, how does the chat room work? You know, how does all that work? You know, this is why I love the chat room. This is why it is my favorite scanner of all the scanners. I cannot take credit for this one here. Right here, and a member alerted WSM dead cat 2 minute. So that's what brought my eyes to it. And then I made a follow-up alert right there, being $78 was a key resistance. So I mean, if anybody bought in before that key resistance, you saw how fast it went up. So that could have been a winning alert for anybody that took it from the long side. Obviously, I took it from the short side, but that just goes to show, you know, there's many ways to skin a cat in the market. So that's, you know, how the room works. Like I said, another member saw this, alerted it. That's what got my eyes on it. And then you just saw me in real time make, what was it, $113 on it in a relatively short amount of time. So you know, that's how the chat room works. I don't know how else I can better explain it rather than just show a real-time example like that. So currently have another order out there at 78.99. So we'll see what happens. Looking to pick up some shares here at 73.15. You can see this move here, very overextended to the downside. First, it's got to break through 73.50. So I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but that's currently where I'm looking right now. Pretty, but there's the bounce. So got a little too aggressive or too conservative, however you want to look at it, in terms of that entry point. But I'm still watching DG. So yeah, hindsight, probably should have held on to those shares that I shorted way up there, but that's why my hindsighttrader.com account is I'm a billionaire in that account, because I seem to always be right at hindsighttrader.com. So just watching the scanners, oil making a nice move right now. So all right, well, that's where things currently are standing. Okay, I move that order down now just because the chart is updated, so got more data. So looking to do my first entry point at 72.75 here. So we'll see what happens on the break. I'm expecting a big move to the downside on the break of the round number of 73, if 73 can fail. So I'll keep you updated. All right, have an order out there to short 100 shares at 75.50. I realize that's not that many, but this is a very volatile stock, so I just want to start extra small. I'm willing to obviously short more and would like to, but just got to ease my way into these sorts that can move very quickly. All right, not gonna lie, have not been paying much attention. We actually have our first co-ed softball game tonight. We play in a fall league, and actually claytrader.com sponsors the team, so it's a good time. So we were just all kind of talking some trash, and we have a little Facebook group set up, so we were all kind of making fun of each other in there, and I totally kind of got sidetracked. So yeah, I can't say I've been paying attention too much the last, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, but nonetheless, it's a good time. And when you start off the morning nicely like this, at least me, I don't feel like I need to be watching the markets like a hawk. I am still kind of monitoring. It's 10 o'clock now, a.m. Eastern time, so market's been open 30 minutes. So I'm happy with where I'm at right now. In fact, I'm going to try to keep this video a little shorter. I do want to quickly go over, because the big question I'm always getting, how am I finding these stocks to trade? Yes, I use the chat room as I showed, but I've also put together a guide. So if you are interested in learning about the tools that I'm using to find these stocks that I am trading, you can just go ahead, click right there, and I will email you this guide. It's totally free, no strings attached or anything like that. Good risk versus reward. The risk, you find it totally worthless. The reward, hey, it might work out and add a lot of value to you, and you didn't pay anything for it. So like I said, if you think that could add some value and is worth at least checking out, then go ahead, sign up, and I'll email that to you right away. So like I said, I'm going to wrap things up here. So thanks for watching. Get out there, trade without emotion.